Alright, you want to see something funny? I was taking these tires out of the... Oh, she drug it all the way up here. I was taking these tires out of the back of the truck to put up against this building to kind of build like a little terrace, because water flows down here and flows right through this little building. So I'm going to build up a little berm, if you will, to keep the water from flowing into the deal. But when I was throwing them over the fence, she was barking, trying to figure out how to get in the fence. So Laura told me, and when I went inside and I was rolling the tires over here to the spots I wanted them, she was barking her head off like she wanted one of the tires. So Laura told me to throw her a tire, and I did. And it was over here. She drug it all the way up here. You like this? You want one? I got a smaller one you can have. And you get slobber all over it. Let me roll it. All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Back up. Back up. Nope. Nope. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back. No. Back. Go get it. Here, wait. Here. Stop. Crazy dog. Give me that tire. Give me that tire. Give me that tire. You look like you got rabies. Foaming at the mouth. Slobber dog. I don't touch it now, it's grody. Well, get off, man. I can roll it. Get off! Go. Alright, you can keep that one. You're crazy. Give me that tire. Give it to me. Give me that tire. This is my tire. She is a crazy dog. You're crazy. I got more tires if you want more tires. I've been collecting them to do terracing. I don't got like a buttload. Actually, I do. That 20 acres that I bought into when I first moved down turned out to be a scam. Parties in a land contract. We call it parties in a scam contract. LLC. But anyways, I still own 10% of that property. They got a buttload of tires over there. I can always go get tires over there, but they're at least 10 years old. They're probably no good for for, you know, her to play with. They're at least 12 years old. Look at her. She's insane. Laura bought Carl one of those little mini tires, like for it looks like a tire for a dolly, but it's too safe. Shit, I got tires in here too. She go hog wild on. Look at this. What is this? Honey, what is this? Get that tire. We gotta wash it now. It's got your drool all over it. Harley, you're crazy. All right, I gotta go.